What's your name? Her name is Jana. Thank you for helping. Jana, where are you from? Cebu. How old are you, Jana?
I think Jana is a Korean and she's the interpreter. Okay?
Jana, if you will win tonight, why not tomorrow?
And why? What's his name? Miss
All right, Jana, your best roar, okay? Okay. She can. All right, you will do the roar for Jana, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Ang batang matulungin, paglaki katulong. Okay. Alright. Just joking, ha? Okay?
Thank
you,
you.
Princess Jana. Oh,
Siya kita si Jana. Okay.
No! No!
Not yet. You're not yet done. Come here. Okay. You are doing Jana's part. Okay? Now this time, it's your time to shine. What's your name? Jera. Okay, Jera, how old are you? 5 years old. Okay, what's your favorite food? Chicken.
did you order chicken?
Okay, klaro kayo.
Don't
Okay?
have popcorn.
Oh, popcorn. Jera, okay, give me your best roar. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, that's the loudest roar I've heard. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
And our last
You want a candy?
contestant from table number 5 and
Table number
6.